So in this video we're going to take a look at torus and how to start it. I'm going to go ahead and go into a drawing here for our corridor ramp 4, and as that opens we're going to be trying to put a roundabout at the end of a ramp leg, so at the end of ramp 4. So we'll let this open up. You can do this in a 2D or a 3D file. This particular one happens to be in a 2D file, and that'll work just fine. You can create a surface at the end of this even in a 2D file. It's not a problem. Alright, so once the file has loaded up, we're going to go in and start torus now. We want to be in the drawing area of ORD, so if you can do the pull down at the top, we're going to go to the drawing area. Inside the drawing area then we're going to go take a look at your tabs up here at the top. We're going to go to utilities, and over here on the left we're going to go to MDL applications, which is underneath the utilities portion. Okay, that's going to open up the applications menu here, where we can go and browse for the MDL that we're looking for. So we'll hit the browse option. And then when you first hit this, if you're working on a project-wise, it's going to open up project-wise, and we don't want to be in there, so we'll cancel that out. And that will take us to our local drives, which we're going to be on our C drive, Program Files, Transoft Solutions, and then Torus 6. And under Torus 6 for the ORD, we're looking at this bottom one here. There is one for SS10, SS4. We're going to be looking at the one with the CN. And we'll say OK to that, and then we're going to try to load it in. So torus roundabout starts up, and for torus to actually run, it also has to have auto turn running in the background. So you're using a license of auto turn and a license of torus when you do this. So as soon as you try to load this in, the program is going out and look to see if torus is running. If it's not, it's going to go ahead and ask you to choose which torus that you want. If you've checked the box that says remember my selection down here, you won't get this box. It'll just start. So you can pick either Pro or regular auto turn. Okay, when you pick that, it's going to go out and load in the correct auto turn for your selection. And it's thinking about it a little bit in the background. It's going to try and open a web page. Usually that doesn't bother to come up, so we can go ahead and close it. And we can take a look here in our loaded applications. You can see the auto turn is loaded, and scroll down and you can see the TRCN application for torus is running. Okay, so again, that's located under the C, Program Files, Transoft Solutions, and you can see we have auto turn 10 in there. Okay, so we have one for SS4 and one for ORD located in there. So that's the ones that it's running. So we can close down the applications, and then at the top up here you can look and you'll see that we have now two options: auto turn, which has all the auto turn tools, and torus, which has all of the torus tools now for us to utilize. Okay, next we're going to go through some of these other tools, but that is how you start torus in ORD.